Hello students, in this lecture number 22 on IPC, I am going to discuss with you very important definitions of IPC which are given in section number 44 to 50 of IPC. Now let us start the video from section number 44. Section 44 describe the meaning of injury. What is the meaning of injury? Injury means any type of harm which is caused illegally to any person, whether that injury may be of the body, mind, reputation or property. Now let us read the bare language of section 44, what it described. Injury, the word injury denotes any harm whatsoever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation or property. So, after reading section number 40, it is very made clear that section 44 defined the word injury in a very wider sense. Because according to section number 44, injury do not only include the bodily harm, but also to the harm which is made to a person's mind, reputation or property. Okay, so the word injury in section number 44 denotes any harm which is illegally caused, and it includes every tortious act. For example, if a person is giving threat to the another person that I will sue you in a court for a sum which was not due, or for a sum which is very excessive in comparison to the real amount due. So this is the threat given to the another person which affected that person in his mind. So it can be regarded as injury. For example, a threat to employ the process of law with the object of obtaining more money than is actually due is a threat of injury. But it is very important to note in this case that to constitute the injury within the meaning of section 44, the harm caused should be illegal. So, if the harm caused is not illegal and caused in good faith to save the other person, okay, if the harm caused is not illegal and caused in good faith to save the other person, then in that time it cannot be regarded as injury within the meaning of section number 44 of IPC. For example, the surgeon has to cut the body of the patient to save his patient, and this cut is given by the surgeon to the patient in good faith to save the life of his patient, and it is given with his consent even though it is a harm, but as it had not been given illegally, so it cannot be said to be injury within the meaning of section number 44 of IPC, and the said surgeon will not be liable for any type of injury. Okay, now we will discuss the definition of life. Section number 45 describe life as the word life denotes the life of a human being. So it has the reference with the life of the human being. It does not relate with the life of any animal. But if there is a contrary intention, from the context, the life will be construed according to that intention. But normally in section number 45, it has been described that the word life denotes the life of a human being unless the contrary intention appear from the context. And how the life comes to an end? It comes to an end by death. So section number 46 defines the word death. The word death also denotes the death of a human being unless the contrary intention appear from the context. So in life and death, animal was not discussed, And what is the meaning of animal? It has been described in section number 47. Section number 47 says that animal, the word animal denotes any living creature other than a human being. So human being is not an animal according to section number 47 of IPC. I repeat, section 47 animal, the word animal denotes any living creature other than a human being, and section number 48 deals with the definition of vessel. Vessel means anything which is made for the convenience of human beings and of the property, and this vessel is running on water. So section number 48 describe vessel as the word vessel denotes anything made for the convenience by water of human beings or of property. The next definition is of year and month. Section number 49 tells that the word year and month is to be understood according to the British calendar. Okay, there are many type of year. It may be the financial year, it may be the Desi year, it may be the Desi month, but according to Lord Macaulay, who had drafted the Indian Penal Code, he said that wherever the word year or the word month is used, it is to be understood that year or the month is to be reckoned according to the British calendar. And British calendar, we all know, start from 1st of January and ends on 31st of December. So it is very important for us that how a year is made out. Basically, a year is a period during which our Earth takes one complete round in its orbit around the Sun. And this period is called the solar or tropical year. And it is very important for us to know, for general knowledge, that the average length of a year is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 51.6 seconds. But to facilitate the calculation and to do away with the odd hours, which is 5 years, 48 minutes and 51.6 seconds, and to do away with the odd hours, the average length of a year is taken to be 365 days. And every fourth year it consists of 366 years, and this year being termed as leap year, in which the February month is not of 28 days, it will be of 29 days. Okay. So in this definition, the year and month is to be reckoned according to the British calendar, which start from 1st of January and ends on 31st of December. Why I am giving much stress on this definition? Because whenever we are going to calculate the period of sentence, then we have to calculate the period of sentence according to the definition of year or month. And in calculating the period of sentence, the day on which the sentence is passed is counted as a holiday. So it means to say that the day on which the sentence was pronounced on the accused is also to be counted as a part of the sentence. For example, if a person is sentenced on 5th of October 2020 for 1 month imprisonment, then he would be entitled to be released from the jail on 4th of November 2020 and not on 5th of November 2020, because on 4th of November 2020 it will be the last day of his imprisonment. Okay. And section number 50 deals with the definition of section. The word section denotes one of those portions of a chapter of this code which are distinguished by prefixed numeral number. So section is of any numerical number in any particular chapter which describe any particular provision of the law. For example, section number 50 defines the word section. So this is the section. Section number 49 was describing year and month, and it has the numerical number 49. So it was section. So this is something about this lecture today. Thank you very much.